Hey, welcome to ECED 4262. When you get to the home screen, you will click on the Content tab, and this will walk you through every single thing that's in the course. You see the layout, there's course information, learning activities for the semester. We call this the end of semester shenanigans because we have some fun and random stuff at the end. What you will find in these won't open until certain dates as we go through the semester. And for example, getting to know the course is something we'll work on the first 2 weeks. Learning activity 1, I've got to change the due dates on these, but it actually includes readings, photojournal, nature journaling. The majority of your course is going to be spent focusing on nature journaling and how you can use a nature journal in your classroom to teach multiple content areas. But in getting to know the course, obviously you see readings and backgrounds, and then what do I need to turn in? So in every single activity or every single module, you're going to have something that you have to turn in. So that's what this is focusing on. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the course, and the majority of class is going to be face-to-face. We will have at least six online meetings since this is a hybrid class. And those online meetings, you will be doing your nature journal and additional outside of class activities. So I look forward to seeing you and having a good semester.